I've had the TC for 8 years coming up in July, and it's about time to replace the trunk lift support struts as they're dying, and the weather being cold out doesn't help. There are two types of trunk struts, the regular ones, and the stronger ones if you have a rear wiper or spoiler. I'm going to be reviewing the latter, but I'll have links to both versions in the video description below. I was originally going to do a review on these A premium struts, but when I went to install them, I discovered that they were shorter than the factory ones. So I went with a pair from Lift Support Depot since I've used some of their struts in the past. The first thing I noticed was the piston rod ball socket is metal. The A premium one is only plastic, but so is the OEM one, although it is a little bit thicker. The other ball socket is plastic, but it's as thick as the OEM one. I already have one strut swapped in, but I'll show you how to remove the old one and we'll get this installed. Have someone hold the trunk open while you use a flathead to lift this clip and push it up to about this point. Don't push it up too far or it may pop off. Now we can pull the ball socket off with a little effort. I don't have anyone to assist me, so I'm using this extendable snow scraper, but I recommend getting help. Now to disconnect the other end. Again, use a flathead to push the clip up and then the ball socket should pop right off. The new strut comes with the ball socket pre-greased. All I need to do is push it straight on. Now to bring the other end up and around this way, and see if I can pop it on. I'm going to use my head to push the hatch up a little. Nope, it's too heavy. I'm going to need to put my phone down so I can properly lift up the hatch to line up the socket with the ball stud. Once I lifted the hatch, that popped on easily. With both struts replaced, let's remove the snow scraper and test them out. I can already tell that these are performing better than the A premium ones. The struts hold the trunk in place at around this height, but just a little lift, and it opens right up. Since I've used Lift Support Depot struts before, I'm pretty confident that they'll hold up well, but if not, I'll put an update in the video description. If you haven't hit subscribe to my channel yet, please do so now, and as always, thank you for watching.